So squaring both sides, this 2 will cancel this radical sign. T raised to power 2 is t squared. 2x raised to power 2 is 4x squared. This is equal to, this can cancel this. You have y over k. Remember, let's consider change of subject of a formula. Change of subject of a formula is the process of making a specified variable stand alone on one side of an equation. That is selecting a certain quantity of variable in an equation. Change of subject of a formula is very important because we use it in mathematics, physics, chemistry, and as well as economics. Now let's solve an example. Now example 1, we are required to make A the subject of the formula V equals U plus 80. Okay, this is a physics formula. Okay, we are required to make A the subject of the formula. A is the acceleration. Okay, solution. Given V equals U plus 80. Now subtract U from both sides so that you have V minus U is equals to U minus U plus 80. This is the U we are subtracting from both sides. Okay, so from here, this U minus U can go. We have V minus U is equals to 80. Now divide through by the coefficient of A, which is T. So we have divide by T. Okay, so we have V minus U divided by T is equals to 80 divided by T. So this T can go. Therefore, A is equals to V minus U, all divided by T. We have isolated A from this equation. Hence, we have made A the subject of this formula. Alright, example 2. So we have make X the subject of the formula. We have here Y is equals to 2x plus 7, then divided by 3 here. Solution over 3 plus 7. Now multiply through by 3 to clear the fraction. We are going to multiply through by 3 to clear this fraction, okay? So we are having 3 multiplied by y is equals to 3 multiplied by 2x over 3 plus 7 times 3. Good. So that these 3 can cancel this. We have 3y is equal to 2x plus 21. Now it's x that we are required to make the subject of the formula. Hence, we are going to subtract 21 from both sides. Okay, subtract 21 from both sides. I can have 3y minus 21 is equals to 2x plus 21 minus 21. Okay, so this can go. You have 3y minus 21 is equals to 2x. Now divide 2 by 2. Divide 2 by 2. So you have x now is equal to 3y minus 21 all divided by 2. So the equation now becomes x equals 3y minus 21 all divided by 2. Example 3, make y the subject of the formula. So we have t is equal to 2x multiplied by square root of y divided by k. Alright, solution. Given t is equals to 2x all multiplied by square root of y divided by k. First, we are going to divide through by these 2x. Divide through by 2x so that I will have t over 2x is equals to 2x over 2x all multiplied by square root of y divided by k. So this 2x can go. I will have t over 2x is equals to square root of y over k. Now, square both sides to eliminate this radical sign. I will have square both sides. So I can have here so we are squaring. This can cancel this. You have y over k. Remember, our main focus here is to isolate y. Hence, we are going to cross multiply here. We are going to cross multiply here to have k t raised to power 2 is equals to y multiplied by 4x squared. Now divide through by the coefficient of y, which is 4x raised to power 2. Okay, we have k t raised to power 2 divided by 4x raised to power 2 is equals to y 4x squared divided by 4x squared. So this can cancel. We can now have y is equal to k t squared all divided by 4x squared. So y is equals to kt squared divided by 4x raised to power 2. A, the subject of the formula. So we have x is equals to ut plus half at squared. So let's make a the acceleration again, the subject of the formula. Solution. Here we are going to multiply through. Multiply through by 2 to clear the fraction. So we have 2x is equals to 2ut plus 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 at squared. These two can cancel. We now have 2x is equals to 2ut plus at squared. Now subtract 2ut from both sides. I can have 2x minus 2ut is equals to a t squared. Now the coefficient of a here is t squared. We are going to divide through by t squared. So we have divide through by t squared. So we can have 2x minus 2ut divided by t squared is equals to a t squared divided by t squared. So this t squared can cancel. We now have, therefore, a is equals to 2x minus a is equals to 2x minus 2ut over t squared. This is same as 2 bracket s minus ut all divided by t raised to power 2. Alright, this is how to make subject of a formula. Quick recap, change of subject of a formula is just the process of making a specified variable to stand alone. Okay, this can be by multiplication, division, subtraction, just applying the main arithmetic operations. Okay, over here we had v equals u plus 80. To make a the subject formula, first subtract u from both sides so that you have v minus u equals 80. Then divide through by the coefficient of a, which is t, and you will have a equals v minus u over t. So these are ways to make subject of a formula. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like and share for more difficult problems.